Dondakaya Pachadi, Ivygourd Chutney, Kundroke Chutney. Welcome to my channel, Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy, and stay healthy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 cup of chopped kundru, that is Ivygourd pieces. Whenever you get a red or ripened Ivygourds, don't waste it, but make a yummy chutney. Add a few curry leaves, 4 to 5 green chilies chopped or as per your taste, and 12 to 15 garlic cloves. Fry them on a low flame for about 1 or 2 minutes and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add 1 roughly chopped medium-sized onion. Add little salt to taste. Now fry till onion turns to translucent. Ivygourd is rich in nutrients. It supports weight management as it contains fiber, regulates blood sugar level, boosts heart health. Onion has become translucent. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped roughly. Cover it and cook till tomatoes become soft. Now add 1 small lemon-sized tamarind washed thoroughly. Switch off the flame, cover it and at room temperature grind coarsely. You can use chutney as it is or you can make tadaka, that is seasoning. Adding seasoning enhances the flavor of chutney and also you can preserve it for 3 to 4 days. Enjoy healthy Ivygourd chutney. Dondakayalo increases metabolism, prevents kidney stones, protects against many allergies, prevents obesity, defends nervous system, improves digestion, cures many diseases, and also it treats infections. Whenever you get ripened dandakailu, don't waste it, but make a yummy chutney and enjoy with idli, dosa, puri, or with hot rice and ghee. If you like this recipe, please share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.